Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2023-2025 Toyota Corolla? This issue commonly arises from a dead key fob battery, preventing the push-button start system from functioning. The key fob uses a small battery to communicate with your vehicle, and when it depletes, the car cannot recognize the fob's signal. Here you can see the key fob and the vehicle's interior where the error typically appears. The key fob contains a CR20032 battery that powers its wireless communication. When this battery dies, usually after 1 to 2 years of use, it can cause the key not detected message to display. Don't worry, we'll guide you through simple solutions like battery replacement and reprogramming to get you back on the road quickly. The first step in troubleshooting the key not detected error is to check and replace your key fob battery. Most Toyota Corolla key fobs use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. To replace the battery, use a small screwdriver to open the key fob. Carefully pry open the case without damaging the internal components. Remove the old battery from its compartment. Make sure to note the orientation for correct replacement. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's seated properly in the compartment. Reassemble the key fob by snapping the case back together. Test the key fob to ensure it works properly. This simple battery replacement resolves 80 to 90% of key not detected cases. If the problem persists, further reprogramming may be needed. If battery replacement doesn't work, the fob may need reprogramming. Insert the mechanical key, if equipped, into the ignition. Cycle the ignition on and off multiple times within 5 seconds to enter programming mode. The system should then recognize the fob. For persistent issues that battery replacement can't fix, visit a Toyota dealer. They can reprogram the engine control unit using specialized TechStream software. This process typically takes 30 to 60 minutes and is often covered under warranty. Additionally, Toyota issued a recall with NTSA ID 23V773 for 2023-2024 Corolla models. This addresses software glitches in the keyless entry system. Check if your vehicle is covered by this recall. Keyless entry systems in the Toyota Corolla rely on a smart key fob containing an RFID chip and battery. Passive entry unlocks doors automatically when you approach the vehicle, while active entry requires pressing buttons on the fob. Signals from the key fob are processed by the body control module, the vehicle's central electronic hub. Extreme temperatures can accelerate battery drain in the key fob, leading to signal issues. The automotive industry is evolving toward more reliable keyless entry systems to address battery and signal issues. E-fobs, featuring rechargeable batteries, are becoming popular among manufacturers like Honda and Ford, offering convenience and reduced waste. Toyota plans to incorporate Bluetooth Low Energy and NFC technology in future Corolla models, enabling over-the-air updates and predictive diagnostics. Sarah Thompson's experience illustrates a common scenario with the key not detected issue. She owned a 2023 Corolla sedan and encountered the problem during a road trip after her key fob battery died. Sarah tried replacing the battery herself, following the standard procedure. However, even after installing a new CR2032 battery, the key not detected message persisted on her dashboard. The issue required more than a simple battery swap. Sarah visited a Toyota dealer, where technicians used diagnostic software to reprogram the vehicle's immobilizer system and resynchronize the key fob. This professional intervention took about 45 minutes and completely resolved the issue. It highlights the importance of dealer assistance when basic troubleshooting fails, as software mismatches or pairing errors often require specialized tools. Sarah's experience is echoed by many Corolla owners on online forums, where over 65% report similar success with dealer reprogramming after battery replacement alone didn't work. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding the key not detected error in your Toyota Corolla. Automotive experts strongly recommend annual key fob inspections to catch potential issues early. Mechanics report that preventive maintenance can reduce key fob failures by up to 40%. Regular checks help identify battery depletion, which accounts for 22% of all reported issues. Consider getting your key fob professionally inspected annually to ensure it's in good working order. This simple step can prevent the frustration of sudden failures. Following this maintenance schedule, as shown in standard automotive guidelines, will help keep your keyless entry system reliable. Stay proactive to avoid unexpected issues on the road.